Take a ride in the 2017 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.